Hi guys, so this is a little late. I know it's already December, but I just wanted to share with you what I got in my BoxyCharm last month. I signed up for just a one-time box and then I canceled just because, just like as a little treat to myself, and I just wanted to see like what I had been missing out on since I haven't had BoxyCharm in a while, and I think I'm actually getting through to my fiance. I've been talking him into like getting me a subscription to BoxyCharm as my Christmas present, and then I'll just completely cancel Ipsy because I'm so over Ipsy. But the only reason I really wanted to share this with you, even though it's late in the game, is because I think they screwed up my box, but like in my favor. So I know you guys have already seen what everybody got for BoxyCharm, and if you get BoxyCharm, like you already know like what's to come, but there was one item in here that I'm pretty sure was not supposed to be in here at all, and it wasn't even listed as an option for this box. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pull out the Kypress Antioxidant Dew Quench and Glow Serum that I'm pretty sure everybody got. This is a $90 serum, which is crazy. But I am very excited to use it, especially since I've actually like been getting into a skincare regimen and stuff. I definitely want to test this out. I'm very, very, very excited. The next thing that I got is this Milk Makeup holographic stick. It's a multi-use illuminating stick. Instantly melts into skin using Milk Makeup technology. And I think it says apply to cheekbones, lips, and eyes. And again, mine is in the shade Stardust. Let me take it out of here. It is very pretty. I do like the color. I don't know. I will give it a try. I don't know about on my lips though. I might try it on the eyes or just as a highlight. I don't know. We'll see. I'm excited though. I've never owned anything from Milk Makeup before. And then I did get the Celestial Thunder Dominique Cosmetics palette, which looks like this. It's very, very pretty. This shade, like, doesn't really show, like, it looks beautiful, but like when you swatch it and stuff, just like not much of anything comes up. But the other shades are beautiful. They swatch nicely. I cannot wait to play with this on my eyes. This was on the very top when I first opened it. It's just a little Pretty Vulgar undercover lightweight concealer sample so that you can, like, you know, if they want to start including like concealers in these boxes, like, you know, you can figure out your right shade or whatever. Here's the card. And then I got the Dose of Rose liquid matte lipstick. Mine is in the shade Date Night. And let me, if I can open it, show you what it looks like. It's a very, very pretty red, and I've been wanting a really nice matte red for my lips. I have not tried any of this like on yet. Like, I did swatch the palette. I wanted to make this video sooner. I've just been kind of in a funk lately. Like tomorrow, December 4th, technically already because it's like almost 4 in the morning, but tomorrow is my dad's birthday. So I'm going to be having like a dark day. If any of you watch Gilmore Girls, you know that Luke Danes has a dark day, and it was the day like his dad passed away. So every day every year on that day, he like disappears and like goes fishing, and like nobody like hears from him on that day. So I feel like tomorrow's gonna be like a dark day for me, just because, you know, it's pretty sad for me that like I can't call my dad and wish him happy birthday, or, you know, I always got so excited to like give him his birthday present, and it's going to be really hard. So I'm going to be dealing with that tomorrow. And then I also got these two. Hold on really quick. My child is awake. He woke up just a little while ago. I'm still trying to get him back to bed. Yes, it's 4 in the morning. He's crazy. I got these Wonder Maku, I don't know, berry antioxidant face masks. I got 2 of them. They're by the brand Haru. I don't know if I'm saying that wrong, but I got 2 of those. And now, see, the majority of stuff, you know, like was like on top of and underneath this foam. But my box was particularly heavy and I didn't know why. So when I opened up the foam, they straight up gave me an entirely separate Tarte eyeshadow palette. It's the Tarte High Performance Naturals Clay Play Face Shaping Palette. Like, this wasn't even an option for this box, and I already got, you know, the Celestial Thunder eyeshadow palette. So obviously it's kind of like in my favor that this happened. I don't know if it was some sort of mix-up or if like maybe somebody else had ordered like an add-on for their box. I did not order an add-on. I literally just bought the $25 box. And I got this incredible, like, full-on Tarte palette that I did not, like, pay extra for or anything of the sort. And it smells so good. It smells like chocolate. Like, I haven't swatched this palette yet just because, I mean, it's pretty neutral, you know, but I am very excited that I somehow got this included in my BoxyCharm. I've literally always wanted one of these Tarte palettes, and I'm not gonna lie, like, I'm obsessed with this packaging. I just think it's like so beautiful and pretty and cute. But like now I have like a full-on like neutral eyeshadow palette, and I have a feeling like once I get the hang of doing neutral colors, because you guys know I'm obsessed with my pink eyeshadow, okay? I'm obsessed. I am excited that I now have like this amazing neutral palette, and it's by Tarte. I don't know how BoxyCharm got that mixed up, because I paid $25, and I mean I got everything that like everybody else got, but I also got a full-on extra palette. I don't know how it happened. I'm not complaining. Like, I feel like I got lucky by like deciding on at the last minute to like get this box last month, because I got a whole separate palette. I was very excited about it. I cannot wait to play with that. I can't wait to play with the Celestial Thunder palette on my eyes. I definitely can't wait to use the serum. I don't know, man. I just thought it was crazy that I got a whole separate palette that like I wasn't expecting. It was just in there because I was like, man, this is a really heavy box, you know, this month. But anyway, I think I am convincing my fiance to actually let me get BoxyCharm. I really hope he does, because I showed him this box. And then I showed him the Ipsy bag I got last month, which sucked. It was horrible. And I was like, we could pay $12 a month for these itty bitty little samples that I like never use, or we could pay $25 a month and get full-size products that I will always reach for. So I don't know. I'm really hoping he lets me do it, because I told him, I said, that's just what I want for Christmas. Like, I'm not asking you to like go buy me this, go buy me that. Like, just let me get a BoxyCharm subscription. I will cancel Ipsy as soon as you let me sign up for BoxyCharm. And I keep trying to like rush him a little bit because I want to be able to get this December box. I am not looking at any spoilers. I don't plan to ever look at spoilers. I want to like be completely surprised with BoxyCharm. That way like I can come on here and make BoxyCharm videos and like be surprised with you guys, even though I'm sure by the time I get around to making videos, you've already seen like everybody else's videos. But certain things do vary. Like, some people do get slightly different stuff in their boxes, so I don't know. I would rather do unboxings of BoxyCharm than Ipsy though, because Ipsy's just, they're slacking. Ever since they got like the I'm getting so confused now, BoxyCharm and Ipsy. Ever since Ipsy got like the 2 like higher subscriptions, they like completely like abandoned ship on the normal Ipsy bags. I feel like the customization doesn't matter. Like, you know, I'm always like, I don't want mascaras or this or that, and like that's like all I get in my bags. And I have like 6 years worth of Ipsy bags. I do love the little bags that you get, but I've got plenty. I don't use them all. I do like having them to like throw in my purse for certain items or what have you, but I am full on ready to jump on the BoxyCharm train. It is so much more worth it than getting Ipsy. I don't understand how Ipsy went from $10 to $12 a month when like nothing's changed with Ipsy. They did not make it any better. You're still getting teeny tiny samples for an even more, like a higher price. So I'm not bashing Ipsy. I don't hate Ipsy. I'm just over it. I've had it for so long. I've loved it the whole time I've had it, but like after trying out BoxyCharm several different times, like the one time my best friend got me a 3-month subscription for my birthday, and then earlier on, like way earlier this year, I did a 3-month subscription, and then like I just randomly decided to get the last month's box and then just cancel right away, so I didn't get charged again. So yeah, hopefully my fiance lets me do it. Hopefully I can get the December box and then I can do an unboxing on that for you guys. I'm so tired of Ipsy. I don't want to do any more Ipsy unbaggings. Like, and barely anybody watched that. I feel like everybody else is over Ipsy as well. And it's not that I don't want to try like the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus or whatever it's called. I know it's the same price as BoxyCharm, but I know I like BoxyCharm, so I'd rather go with that than the Ipsy Plus or Ipsy Deluxe or whatever the heck it is. I'm just kind of through with Ipsy. So that was my box. I was so excited that I like randomly got an extra full-on eyeshadow palette, and from Tarte of all things. Like I really like Tarte as a brand. So and like when I first got it in the box, like was clearly bigger than the original BoxyCharm. I was like, did they send me like a Boxy Luxe or whatever it's called? But no, I think they just made the box slightly bigger to fit the products in better. But yeah, I didn't go into like details on how much everything was because I know everybody's already put their BoxyCharm videos out from last month. I'm just really late on posting mine, but I did still want to share it because I thought it was so crazy that like I got everything that I was supposed to get and then an added bonus. So I'm not complaining. I'm very excited. So I'm going to go try and get my crazy child to sleep. I'm going to take my makeup off, and I really don't want to because I literally just did it like a couple hours ago. Don't ask me why. Like, I knew it was like so late at night when I did it. Knowing tomorrow is my dad's birthday and everything, I've just been in such a funk. Throwing makeup on, even though I wasn't going anywhere and it was so late at night, it literally just like made me feel better about myself. Like it made me feel good. So I'm gonna take this makeup off, go get in bed with my child and make him go to sleep because like I said, it's very, very late. I don't blame you if you don't watch this video. I know it's super late. Hopefully I can come up with at least a couple of Christmassy style videos. I'm not really sure what kind. Maybe I can show you like what I got my kid for Christmas as long as he doesn't decide to wake up when I'm filming that. I'm pretty much done Christmas shopping too. Like I literally did everything through Amazon. There was a couple things I got from eBay. Didn't have to step foot in a store once to Christmas shop, and that felt amazing. So I don't know, we'll see. I'll try and think of a few little Christmassy style videos that I can do for you guys. I haven't filmed in what feels like a long time to me, and I really miss it. I want to come back and make more videos. I'm just trying to like get inspired, and I do want to do like journaling style videos with my new awesome like law of attraction planner I showed you guys in one of my other videos. I just don't know how to set the camera up to show you guys like the journaling process, and it's not really that exciting. Like I'm not good at journaling, but I don't know, maybe I'll just show you like tidbits here and there if I do a vlog or something soon. But My kid is knocking on the door. I'm going to go for now. I hope you enjoyed this. I know it was very late in the game. I'm so sorry about that, but hopefully I will have a December box to show you guys really soon. I am going to go. I will talk to you guys later. Good night.